Your Windows PC has powerful hidden features that can boost productivity, improve security, and make everyday tasks easier. In this video, I'll reveal 7 hidden Windows features you should be using. First up, GodMode. Want access to every Windows setting in one place? Activate GodMode. Here's how. Right-click on your desktop, click New, then Folder. Rename it to GodMode. Open the folder to access all Windows settings instantly. Ever copied something and lost it? Use Clipboard History. Press Win+V to open Clipboard History. Store multiple copied items and paste them anytime. Keep your work and personal tasks separate using virtual desktops. Press Win+Control+D to create a new desktop. Switch with Win+Control+left or right arrow. Close with Win+Control+F4. Tired of notifications interrupting your work? Use Focus Assist. Go to Settings System, then Focus Assist. Set it to Alarms Only or Priority Only. Forget the print screen button. Take screenshots like a pro with Snip and Sketch. Press Win+Shift+S. Select Full Screen, Rectangular, or Freeform Snip. Reduce eye strain at night by enabling Nightlight mode. Go to Settings Display, then Nightlight. Schedule it for evening hours. Running out of space? Let Windows automatically clean up junk files with Storage Sense. Go to Settings, Storage, and turn on Storage Sense. Set it to delete temporary files and old downloads. That's it. Now you know 7 hidden Windows features that can save you time. Which one was your favorite? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tech tips.